Hello Saber Forum, it's E-Rock again. Today I will be demonstrating the Zephyr sound font created by our very own Big Boss. Now, it's another rare treat that I get to do this because the Zephyr font is actually another completely original idea. It's I don't know, it's not a variation of a lightsaber or anything, it's something created and for a lightsaber, but it doesn't kind of sound like any of the traditional ones, so it's really cool. We'll get started then, and it's really loud by the way too, so I might do the pommel block so I can talk over it, so it's really cool. Well, let's get to it. The Zephyr font. Sounds like kind of like gusts of wind. Zephyr, of course, being the Greek god of wind. You hear some clashes? So we got some variations on a theme there. And then the lockup. And then I'm gonna go let my cat in, excuse me. Yeah. Alright, sorry. Duty calls. So, again, that was the Zephyr font from Big Boss. What I like about this font, personally, is the fact that it doesn't sound like a lightsaber, like I mentioned at the beginning. However, it makes this thing sound like a weapon. It's just awesome. It works so well with the Saber. I almost would like to duel somebody with this just to see what it sounds like. Just because the clashes, the swings, and everything else about it, they work really well together, and they do give you a really good kind of a thematic feeling. Of what? I don't know. That's the thing. It's a simulacrum. No, it's really good. Try it again. Powerful opening, powerful closing. I don't know, it makes it kind of sound like an ancient saber to me. I've never heard anything like it before, and I personally feel that it truly works on a saber. If you're looking for something new, something a little bit off the beaten path, get thee to Saber Forum and download this font, because this is definitely something new, and I think you'll definitely like it. Anyway, I thank you again for tuning in. Keep keep those custom Saber fonts coming, guys, and happy sabering.